Hey y'all, it's Shine International here, and I'm back with another video. This will be episode 2 of my 90-day life makeover. And if you're new here, just to catch you up to speed, I'm committing 90 days to changing the quality of my life financially, mentally, socially, all of that. As y'all know, I got out of prison last year, and so I decided this was something that I wanted to do. I want to let you guys know that I'm not gatekeeping. Everything that I know, you guys will know. I'm teaching you everything that I know. Like, I'm not holding nothing back from y'all. So we're gonna jump right in. Okay, so for physical, I have been getting back in the gym. No, I'm not no 5 to 6 times a week type of girl. I am at 3 3 times a week for me, and that's fine. I did say I wanted to ease my way back onto the gym. Now, if you're a girly that's looking to start your fitness journey, you really only need 3 things, and that's water, headphones, and a designated time. And what I mean by a designated time is, what time are you going to dedicate to going to the gym? I'm a morning girly. I don't know why. I just love going to the gym in the morning. I love how it makes me feel. I feel like I could literally conquer the world. I love it. But some people rather go after work. So whatever you decide, try to like stick to it. Don't like go in the morning one day and then in the evening the next. Like, I feel like that's too all over the place, and it's going to be hard for you to stick to. So don't wait around. Don't keep pushing it off because you're not going to go. Just once you start like getting acquainted with it, you will be okay. I promise. I weigh myself every day at the same time. I try to weigh myself at the same time, but you know, that's kind of hard. But I weigh myself in the morning before I eat breakfast and all of that. At first, I used to be scared of the scale because I'll be doing so much work, pouring all this work into my body, and then next thing you know, the scale going up and down, up and down, up and down. So you can weigh yourself every day. And if your weight is trending down, so it's gonna fluctuate regardless, but if it's trending down, that means you're on the right track. Listen, I'm not your health coach. I'm not a nutritionist. I'm not none of that. I just have done a lot of research. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is calculate your TDEE, which is your total deficit energy expenditure, right? That's how many calories that your body burns throughout the day. How you figure that out is you Google TDEE calculator and put free, so you don't gotta pay, and you put in your height, your weight, all of that and all of that based on how much activity you get. So it'll say like something like sedentary, and then it'll say extremely active or something like that. I would personally put sedentary because you want to know how many calories that your body burns like when you're doing nothing, right? Subtract 2 to 500. 500 is pushing it, but you're going to subtract 2 to 500 calories from that number. For example, mine is 1800. Right now, I subtract 200 from that. So I limit myself to 1600 calories a day that I could eat. Don't go crazy and try to like put yourself on a super diet and try to eat 1100 calories a day. No, we're not doing that because you're going to revert. You're going to be so hungry by the end of the week that you're going to eat up all the calories that you thought you cut out. When I started counting my calories, girl, I was like, oh my God, I probably eat 2,000 to 3,000 calories. I'm not even going to hold you. Eat and drink. So if you drink soda and juice, you're gonna have to slow down. That's too fast, mamas. You're gonna have to slow down on that. Like, calories add up quick. We tend to overeat, and so that is why we're gaining weight. Back to what I was saying. You're gonna download MyFitnessPal. No, this is not sponsored, but like I said, I don't gatekeep. I'm putting y'all on. Download MyFitnessPal. They will give you a free 30-day trial. So it's going to be a little confusing, but once you sign up, it's going to tell you like what's your goal weight, and it's going to tell you to choose like the deficit that you're in, and you do all of that. Once you do that, you add it and you log your food, and you can scan a barcode. And this is like the most accurate way to get the calories for whatever you're eating. And you're going to scan the barcode of the box, the bag, whatever it's in. And once you do that, you're good money. You're going to know. Now you're going to have an idea of like, how many calories am I eating for real? Now you're going to need a scale for this, okay? Everything that I use is going to be in my Amazon storefront for y'all to go ahead and go get. I shop on Amazon. I'm really trying not to shop so much on Amazon, but I shop on Amazon. So check out my storefront. You're going to get you a food scale. You're going to set that food scale measurements to grams, not ounces, not kilograms, grams. That is the most accurate way that you're going to weigh your food. All right, bomb. Once you do that, let's say for things like potatoes, you can't scan potatoes all the time. You're going to weigh your potatoes on the scale, and then you're going to add it, and you're going to put however many grams you're eating, and it will let you know how many calories that is. And you're going to try to eat within a deficit. Now listen here, y'all. Let me put y'all on game. From what I've learned, you can eat whatever you want to eat as long as you're in a calorie deficit. Now, will you lose weight as fast? No. Is it good for you? No, but you still can do it. And I say that to say this: me meal prepping does not consist of me like just cutting out and just starting over and just like eating just straight fruits, vegetables, and all of that good stuff. No, I still eat what I like to eat. I cut out the really, really bad stuff that's heavy in calories and that doesn't fill me up. I still eat chips. I still eat ice cream in moderation. If you weigh out the food that's bad for you, you could eat it in moderation. If you realize like, dang, I can only eat a small portion, but I'm not full, or it's just so small like it doesn't make sense, good. Then you know that, all right, this isn't going to be something that I want to eat a lot. You want to be full through this, because when you're in a calorie deficit, you will be hungry at night because of the simple fact that your body's not used to this. Your body's used to eating 1,000 to 2,000 calories over its deficit. You get what I'm saying? Like protein, meat, salad, like vegetables, you can eat a lot of those and not go crazy on your calories, right? Stay with me. I know this is all new, and if you already started this journey or have an idea of what I'm talking about, then more power to you. Add your tips below for my girlies that's starting from ground zero like me, how I started. So like, I was doing this last year, so I'm not new to this, but it's still like a shock to me. Even when I take a break and come back, it's still like a shock. So if you mess up, don't sweat it. It's fine to just try again tomorrow. The best way to stay on track is to log your calories though. And the last thing on physical, because I just went in and took like 10 minutes, but I said I wanted to keep my hair done. So right now I'm wearing a glueless wig, and I'm sick of this wig already, but I have yet to find like a hairstyle that would be best for working out, because I sweat a lot in my head. So normally I wear like glued down wigs like along my hairline. Not gonna work. The wig won't even last longer than a week, maybe a week and a half. But it's just so messy when I take it off. It's just too much. I was thinking about like wearing my real hair. I have 4C hair, and I sweat a lot in my hair, so it's gonna poof up immediately. So that's out. Throw that out. Then I was thinking braids, and it is about to be summertime, so I might get braids for like a month or two or whatever. But for right now, good old reliable, my glueless wig, I might just have to curl it, wand curl it, whatever, just so that I can stick to working out. So we're gonna wrap up physical and move on to financial. So yeah, one of my top priorities that was on my Notion planner was to create an extra source of income and monetize my channel. So I was just thinking, brainstorming, like, what should I do? When it comes to monetizing my channel, I've decided that I am going to start posting twice a week. I know that's going to be a lot. I'm pivoting to content creation. I think that it would make sense for me to post twice a week. So that's what we're going to do. I don't know how I'm going to do that. It takes so much energy just to put into one video, from editing to filming, but I don't know. And so another thing I wanted to do was to reach out to brands. So what's crazy is, since I made this video, I've been getting hit up by brands. It's crazy. When my channel blew up, I was getting hit up by brands left and right. But I didn't know what to do, and nor did I take YouTube seriously. So now that we have my handy dandy ChatGPT, let me tell you, me and ChatGPT, we go together real bad. And I don't even know where ChatGPT came from. Before I went to jail, it wasn't no AI. Then I got out and it's like AI this, AI that. It's so much. But I love ChatGPT, and I use it to brainstorm what I'm already thinking. Like, give me some more ideas. So anyways, I'm a content creator now, but I haven't always been one. There's things that I have yet to experience. Working out brand deals is one of them. So I'm not going to put the brand's name just for professional reasons. They, sent me an offer, and it was something that aligned with my brand. Because one thing about it, I am not going to promote anything that doesn't align with my brand. Like, no, I'm not gonna promote nothing that I don't do every day or something that I don't genuinely like. So I'm writing them, I'm asking them questions and stuff like that. So they, anyways, long story short, they sent me a contract. I put the contract into ChatGPT, and it was just so much wrong with the contract. And great company, they're very prompt, very professional for what they were paying versus like what they were asking for. It just didn't make sense. So I used ChatGPT to help me like negotiate the terms and things of that nature. So yes, y'all, ChatGPT is that girl. If you're not on yet, get on. I have a good amount of subscribers, but at the same time, I am rebuilding my channel, so my engagement is not all the way there yet, and that's fine because I'm gonna push through this, and you know, it is what it is. But if you're working on being a content creator, there are certain things you need to look out for. First of all, you need to look out for the validity of the company. Like, is this a scam or no? And a lot of people, from what I've seen like on TikTok and stuff, a lot of scam companies are reaching out to like content creators and stuff like that. So don't get scammed. Make sure you check the validity. You go and you look at their website to start off with. Check their email. Make sure their email matches the domain of the website that they sent you. Go look and see what other influencers and content creators that they have worked with. You can even reach out to the content creators and be like, oh, how do you like working with this company? I like stuff like that. Don't get scammed, y'all. Anyways, back to brands. I decided that I wanted to make a portfolio of what brands that I want to work for. A few of the brands that I would want to work for, like my dream brands. And y'all, we thinking big. So I want to work with Aloe. I want to work with Rihanna. I want to work with NARS, just to name a few. I decided to make a portfolio, and I'm gonna start reaching out to brands, y'all. And guess who's gonna help me? My girl ChatGPT, because I don't even know the first step to even do when it comes to reaching out to brands. So we're definitely going to cover that. We'll get more into like reaching out to brands and stuff. We got 90 days, and honestly, it seems like it's going fast like already, because 90 days, 3 months, it's gonna go by like this. So next on my list for financial was my hair business. Now, with the tariffs and everything that's going on in this economy, I do not feel like it'll make sense for me to get back into selling hair. I'm not sure yet. And I don't want to do hair, y'all. Like, y'all don't understand. At some point, I was doing hair last year for my loyal clients and stuff. I wasn't promoting it. I just was doing hair just to make sure I still got it and stuff like that. But I do not enjoy it at all anymore. And I just came to the realization, like, hair might have been that thing for me at that moment, but I feel like I'm in a different moment in life. If I decide to do hair again later on or whatever, it's okay. Like, and I told myself it's okay, because we need to allow ourselves the space to contradict ourselves. Basically, one minute we may want something, and the next couple months later we might change our minds, and that's okay. The only thing that is constant in this world is change. That's why I'm not beating myself up right now. Hair is not really it for me. It's on the shelf. I didn't completely trash it. It's just on the shelf. But yeah, like, doing hair is just completely out of the question. I'm just not there. I'm not in that space anymore. Okay, y'all, so I just wanted to end this video on a positive note. So I just wanted to show you how I use the weekly planner this week. I'm not even gonna hold you, like, I didn't do everything every day, but still I got a lot done. I was trying to do like 5 days this week for the gym. So reading, meditation, and making sure I hit the gym is my important things. I filmed and I edited all week, so I did really good. Also, today is Sunday. This video will be going up tomorrow, so I'm not done doing everything for today. But I also wanted to focus on the habit tracker. Reading and working out, I need to do better on. Meal prep, these 2 days I didn't, like, I just winged it. So, and then these days I had meals already made. So that's what meal prepping was for me. But I ate in a calorie deficit every day this week. So super proud, and it's reflecting in my weight. I check my YouTube analytics every day this week. I think that's like the first thing I do after praying. And then I wanted to focus on my wins. Hold on, I have to add one. So yes, I secured a paid brand deal this week, guys. I'm so excited. We'll be talking about this next week. And I have a big increase in my views and my watch time. And I am down 7 pounds. So these are my wins for the week. I decided to dedicate this area to my wins because big or small, we have to celebrate our wins. So I'm going to change this to wins. Hold on. And you could do the same. I use a notebook for my ideas and my notes, so I really wasn't utilizing this little area. So I changed it to wins because I am going to write down every single win that I get during this 90 days. So I can learn how to celebrate myself because I'm very hard on myself. So yeah, all in all, I had a great first week. I see the areas that I need to work on, and I love this planner because it helps me like visually see like what areas do I need to work on. You guys can download this template in my description box below. Also, I wanted to show y'all the dark mode version. This is how it looks in dark mode. It's still cute. If you download it, this is probably how it will come, but you could change it by going to the top left and going to settings and then going to appearance and changing it to light, and you could change it back just in case you guys downloaded it and it didn't look the same. So yes, y'all, so this was my week. I know we have other topics to carry, so I'm gonna come out with like a schedule and a style of how I want to continue on this 90 days, because what are we doing? We're getting better in this 90 days. So let me know what you accomplished this week. Give me your weekly update. Put it in the comments below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell to get notified every time your girl drops some new heat. And I will see you in the next video. Mwah.